Hello, welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. Hi, I've never given this before, but I think it's about time I did some cooking. What do you think? Well, wish me luck, guys. Just found this in the fridge, so I've cut it up, I've diced it. I haven't got the ingredients that I normally work with, so I'm just going to shove a load of stuff in and hope for the best. So, looks like I'm doing a stew. So I've diced it, and now I'm going to start peeling some spuds. See you later. Can you all do me a favour, but shh, don't tell anybody. But I think I've pinched Chris's steak. Oh dear. Shh, our secret. Well, spuds are peeled. The thing is, Chris has hid the bloody magic knife from me. I've had to do it all by hand. I'm going to tell him when he gets back. There you go, Chris. All chopped up. In the pan they go. Well, normally put fresh carrots in, but I could only find an onion and 2 peppers. So let's get this cut, throw it in and see what happens. Well, I've thrown potatoes in, peppers, onions, and obviously the steak that I cut up. Knife for seasoning. Right, seasoned it with Himalaya pink salt, garlic granules and black peppercorns. The thing is, the lid fell off the garlic. Fuck it. We love garlic in this house. All seasoned. Throw some water in. I think we'll shove an oxo in it as well. Oven's preheated on 100. Let's see what happens. Stand corrected. They're not oxo cubes. They're Bovril cubes. Peace to the resistance. Oh, it's supposed to be easy crumpling these up in here, innit? Uh-oh. Oh well. Not quite as good as I thought it'd be. All I can say is fucking magic. How's it, oven? That smells fucking mighty fucking fine. It's a little bit watery. Got no corn flour, so I'm going to have to cheat. Use the gravy granules. Thicken it up. Back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Done. Right. It's all done now. Look at that. That looks mighty fucking fine. And a proper winter warmer. Can't wait. Right, it's about time I slide this down my gizzard. Let's see what it tastes like with peppers instead of carrots. Bit of everything on it. Well, that tastes even better than carrots. The peppers taste amazing in it. All I can say is that is mighty fucking fine. Until next time, bye. Well, that was my 1 pan beef stew with peppers instead of carrots, but fuck it, it's lovely. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching me. And subscribe.
What is that?
Pizza.
Pizza?
No.
What the fuck are you on about? Pizza?
Cheese.